July starts with a bang as the son of Odin returns with Thor: Love and Thunder, releasing in cinemas this week. On the streaming side, the new adaptation of Dangerous Liaisons releases on Netflix, as well as the thriller The Terminal List streaming on Amazon Prime Video. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list. Thor sets off on a quest to find inner peace after living most of his life fighting wars and saving lives with the Avengers. His retirement is cut short when he meets the antagonist, Gorr. The situation becomes even more complicated when his trusty hammer Mjolnir returns, but with a new owner who's as worthy as him. Thor: Love and Thunder releases in cinemas July 7th. In Dangerous Liaisons, the 17-year-old Celine is preparing to live away from her fiancé Pierre. As she moves from Paris to Biarritz, she meets the mean elite of her new school, Vanessa and Tristan. Celine manages to get seduced by Tristan, but she doesn't know she's part of a cruel bet. Dangerous Liaisons is streaming on Netflix on July 8th. The Terminal List is a new action thriller starring Chris Pratt as James Reese, a Navy SEALs officer who returns home after his entire team is ambushed. While living in trauma, he soon discovers secrets that could endanger him and everyone he loves. The Terminal List is now streaming on Amazon Prime Video. In Edgar Wright's latest film, Last Night in Soho, an aspiring fashion designer is fascinated by the fashion in the 60s, often drawing inspiration from the time period. But everything changes when she starts dreaming about being transported to that time, where her life starts to spiral out of control. Last Night in Soho is streaming on OSN Plus on July 9th. The famous titular robot from Big Hero 6 finally gets his own TV show. Watch the chubby inflatable robot Baymax on his ongoing adventures with the superhero team in the fictional city of San Francisco. Baymax is now streaming on Disney+. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our videos.